If you are getting the error, your device isn't compatible with this version. When trying to install WhatsApp, here is how to fix it. First, make sure your Android version is up to date. Go to Settings, then find the Software Update option and check for any updates. WhatsApp usually requires Android 5.0 or higher. Next, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then About, tap on Update Play Store, and make sure your Play Store is up to date. If the problem continues, try clearing Play Store's cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management or Manage Apps depends on your phone model. Google Play Store, then Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Now go back and search WhatsApp in the Play Store. If it still shows the error, you can download the official APK from whatsapp.com/android. Visit that link in your browser, download the latest APK and install it manually. Make sure install from unknown sources is enabled in your phone settings under security. And that's how you fix the device isn't compatible error on WhatsApp. If this worked for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more solutions.